Hey, welcome to the Dezperate Actor YouTube channel. It's me, Steve Des from DezperateActor.com, and today we're going to be talking about the AfterParty Surprise, McGraw-Hill. Um, so we just wrapped the show at this point. Fast forward a couple months, and the show is done. We shot pretty much every episode. The only thing left is some ADR, which is some post production, little voice things or whatever that we did. And now we're having an after party, literally in the same house that we shot some scenes, we auditioned, and we did the callback. So over here in Culver City, and it was nice. We had a pool party, we had some barbecue. It was a good time. It was a really good time. A great way to bond with people. And a surprise, at least for me. I don't know if other people really knew about it and everything, but I'm here thinking with an actor's mindset, and I was just thinking, the show is the show, and the show is the show, and we shot the scenes that we needed to shoot, and we did the things that we needed to do, and we got paid for what we did, and it's all good. But then, to my surprise, at least, was presented to me or presented to us in the after party when we wrapped the show. So we met some really amazing people from San Francisco for that work for McGraw Hill, and they're people that put some of the budget and the thing together for us to do this thing. But from the get go, we knew the purpose of this whole thing was to make to help other people learn Spanish, like this is going to be in schools and things like that. Little did I know that they were actually making full books and workbooks for what we did. And on top of that, and this was really what was really shocking to me, was that we even had our own little cartoon characters, not like a cartoon animated series, not that. But in the book itself, like within the book, there's literally cartoon characters of us. So you see a Spanish teacher with a disability right there, and that's me. It doesn't look like me right now because I changed my look, but I'm right there in that book. And that book is literally across different parts of the world, that we're teaching Spanish. At the time, we basically, the deal was just for 5 years. So after five, it was an option of renew the contract or just let it go and they make a new one or something like that. But it was really, really, really cool to not only be on a series, to not only be able to portray a recurring character, a role in something, to not only be teaching people, because I was literally the teacher. So my role was super important, even though, yeah, I wasn't in as many episodes as other people. Other people got fatter paychecks than me, stuff like that, little petty things that you might think. If you really think about the grand scope of things, like my character was a fundamental piece for this whole thing happening. Because the main purpose of this entire brand is to teach people Spanish, and I was a Spanish teacher. So it was really, really freaking cool, man, to just go through that experience. And also the culture shock of just like, oh my God, I'm the teacher and these students are older than me. It's so weird. Um, and then on top of that, man, to be in a book and to also be a cartoon character in a book is mind blowing, man. It was so, so cool. So that after party, it felt, it was so exhilarating because it was just like, it's bittersweet because it's ending today. Like after today, everybody's out in the job hunt again. Like let's go get more roles. Let's go get more gigs. Let's go get more stuff. After this. But during that moment, man, I really got to soak it in and be present and be like, wow, we did it. We accomplished it. And not only that, I did it. I did it. Like I believed in myself. I went for it. I did not give into FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I kept going, man, even when my back was against the wall. And I was like, I don't know how I'm going to pay my rent next month. Um, I kept going at it, man. And even though I didn't have a guide or a full time mentor right there for me, I just had like part time people telling me part time things. Um, I was slowly but surely figuring it out in the industry. Even though I was still a baby, I was still kind of starting my journey, basically. I felt so confident and just so ready to just take on whatever challenge the entertainment industry had for me. And if you go with that attitude into auditions, if you go with that attitude towards whatever it is that you desire in this life, you're going to get a lot. You're going to get so much more. But if you don't want to be like I was back there and you want an actual step-by-step guide, you can go to DesperateActor.com. Right there, we have things that you can pay for and things you don't even have to pay for. And you can go and check out all those things right there. We have podcasts, we have more videos, we have programs for you, we have coaching, we have a lot of things out there. So definitely go check it out. We even have a book. It's so cool. It's so cool and dandy. So go definitely check it out. Don't forget to subscribe because we have definitely way more story times to tell you. There's so many twists and turns and ups and downs and lefts and rights that happens within my own journey and story, and I am happy to share with you. So I'm happy you're here with me, okay? Don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm. It helps us connect with more people like-minded just like you. Don't forget to comment below what has been your favorite part of this particular story time. What are you looking forward to the most? And I'll catch you on the next one, all right? Take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.